plenty of room for you and me. For you I am so deep. At the bottom of the sea is where I'll be. And from the bottom of the ocean up to the watershed, to float your boat is what I'm hoping. Hope we could share my waterbed. And all of the whales dedicate their songs to you. I hardly compares to the ones I wrote for you. I would sail away with you. Gotta get dressed real fast 'cause it's cold outside.
Bottom where we live, the perfect place to raise our kids. They'll go to school with all the fishes. They won't have to wash no dishes.
Wonder why you will like it. The current don't fight it up in your eyes. And see that I would sail away with you. I would sail away with you. Wishing on a starfish in the sky. I wish I may, wish I might. Every day, every night, under the ocean blue, I'd say I do. I'd sail away with you. Everybody dance now. Underwater you will like it. Go on and dive in up in your eyes. And see that I would sail away with you. I sail away with you. There's nothing the whales could say or do. I would sail away with you. I love you.